All right, so over the last few weeks, I've gotten over 100 messages on Twitter about a project that is ranked in the top 120 by market cap. But the funny thing is I never heard about this platform before, so I held off on doing a video until now because I've done my research and I want to do a deep dive of this platform with you guys. So this top 120 crypto by market cap is called Kyber Network, and they have been making some big moves over the last few weeks on Crypto Rank platform on Twitter. They have been ranked the #1 DEX by 7-day user growth with an over 86.7% rate of growth. They've been continuing to grow exponentially, and despite being in a bear market, if you look at just the last 7 months for this crypto, it has done extremely well relative to the overall market. It reached an all-time high in 2022, just a couple months ago when much of the market wasn't doing too great. So this is a pretty interesting project to say the least. So let's talk about it. First thing is going to be Kyber Network, what it is. Kyber Network, when you look, it's listed on a number of big exchanges like Binance, it's listed on OKEX, but Kyber Network is a multi-chain cryptocurrency liquidity hub that makes DeFi trading more efficient and cost-effective, ultimately enables DeFi trading for everyone. That is one of their big goals. They want to make it so Kyber Network is the only platform that you need to go to for anything in DeFi, whether you're talking about yield farming, liquidity, trading, swapping, whatever it is. That is their ultimate goal in the future. So they're trying to do this in an easy, fast, cheap, and secure way. The interesting thing about this is KyberSwap, which is a DEX and aggregator aimed at being the best liquidity platform to swap and earn on all chains. When you're looking at KyberSwap, they have a number of cool features on it, which I think has contributed to the platform's growth over the last few months. Why we're seeing that huge rate of growth that we talked about earlier on Twitter, where you're just seeing that more and more people are using this platform all the time. So with KyberSwap, one of the features on it is actually called Discovery, and with Discovery, it makes it so people know and learn about up-and-coming cryptocurrencies before they actually are trending, before people really start knowing about them. And when you look at this, you go to KyberSwap, and you click on Discover More. It talks about all these different projects that are either being talked about on a number of the DEXs that they've been aggregating and collecting data from, or it talks about ones that it is already trending on. And for this reason, because Kyber Network is a DEX aggregator, it looks across all these different DEXs and sees what is most popular at that time. So many of these are coins that you probably never heard of, probably meme coins, and in my opinion, coins that some of these are just like short-term plays. But I think the reason why we have seen that KyberSwap has been growing so rapidly is because it has accurately been able to predict which coins are trending or going to be trending in the coming days, and many people have profited from this. In addition to what is going on with this discovery feature is actually with their KNC token. So like I said, KNC token has seen tremendous growth in 2022 despite the market not doing too well. And what we can see with KNC is that it is actually used for, it is basically just a utility and governance token for the Kyber Network. It is a crucial aspect of the Kyber Network, and ultimately KNC holders stake and vote to receive trading fees from protocols like KyberSwap. The more people use KyberSwap, the more people that use all these different features on Kyber Network, they actually generate passive income for simply holding KNC tokens. KNC is it allows token holders to play a critical role in building a wide base of stakeholders and capturing value created by new innovations on Kyber Network. And ultimately, if you're a KNC holder, you can become part of the Kyber DAO, and you can help make important decisions moving forward. They talk about the dynamic token model, which KNC enables Kyber DAO to shape token behavior, upgrades, and making KNC much more adaptable in the future. They talk about liquidity incentives and participation rewards, and all the benefits of simply holding KNC and having a stake in one of the biggest and fastest growing networks in the crypto space. ETH, but if I want to use something else like Phantom, they have that as well. But the cool thing about it, like I was saying, is with that thing called KyberSwap Elastic. when you're looking at the platform, you can go to swap. They have all these different ways that you can swap cryptocurrencies in any blockchain that you feel like. But when you start looking at other features, they have elastic farms and classic farms. With elastic farms, the important thing with this is that you could deposit your liquidity from the elastic pools here, stake it, earn rewards, but you have more ability to control your funds and returns you're going to get than just classic farms, which is something that most platforms don't have. And I find that very, very interesting. Different average APRs and average different pairs as well, where you can generate APR. So make sure to check those out as well. So really, KyberSwap is a platform that has a lot of different aspects to it. They have swap, earn, farming, and campaigns and discovery. Many platforms offer things like this, but I think the one thing that has separated KyberSwap from other platforms is their native KNC token, which has grown in value significantly, but also this discovery page right here, because they've been able to accurately predict a number of coins that will be trending soon or that currently are trending. And as a result of this, I think many people have joined this platform just so they can be a part of these projects, whether it's short term, medium term, or long term. I don't really think it matters, but you can see that many of these projects they have on their trending have gone up like 100% in just a couple days, like 100%, 20%. What's this one up? 83%. You can see it's proven. So let me know your thoughts on KyberSwap, their overall ecosystem, but I think it has a lot of potential long term. It has been continuing to grow very rapidly. It is number 120 right now in terms of market cap and continuing to grow. Just make sure to check out KyberSwap using the link in the description. I'll add it, I'll pin it to the top comment. So make sure to check that out. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.